Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you guys a look at this WASOTO heated gloves. And as you can see, these things look very premium, got the very nice design there. And there's a power button on both sides. This also functions as a level for the heat, and you can also read the battery power, as you can see on this guide here. So you get about 2 to 3 hours if you have it on the high level, but you can get up to 8 hours if you just keep it on the low level, which is still plenty hot. These are great for hiking, backpacking, snowboarding, skiing, hunting, anything you want to do outdoors in the cold months. These are perfect. What I really like about this is that it has that zipper right there, and you can go ahead and store things in here if you want, but that's actually where the power bank is to charge. It's got this charger with split ends here, so you want to go ahead and plug one of these into each glove. There's even an indicator light on here that'll tell you when it's charged. It will light up green when it's done. It's got a carrying bag. These things are perfect, high quality. They're very comfortable. I highly recommend them.